Mathematics class 11 chapter 5 complex numbers and quadratic equations. Exercise 5.1. Express the complex number in exercise 1 to 10 in the form a plus ib. Question number 1, 5i into minus 3 by 5i equal to this minus right here, 5 here into 3 by 5 into I is I square. Then this 5 you get cut, so you get minus 3 here, and I square value is minus 1. So put I square equal to minus 1, minus into minus 1 is plus 3. Question number 2, I power 9 plus I power 19. This I power 9 can be written as I square power 4 into I. 4 into 2, 8, 8 power into 1 power, so 9 power. Plus this I power 19 can be written as I square power 9 into I. 9 into 2 is 18 plus 1 power will give you 19. Okay, now I square value is minus 1. So put here minus 1 power 4 into this I plus I square again minus 1 power 9 into I. Minus 1 power 4 will give you plus answer, okay, because it is even number. So even number, then negative power have got even number, answer will be positive. So this minus 1 power 4 will be plus 1 into this I plus minus 1 power 9, that is odd number. So if you have odd number, then it will come negative answer for the negative power. So minus 1 into this I. So this is I plus into minus 1 is minus, and this I minus I will give you 0. Question number 3, I power minus 39. This can be written as 1 by I power 39. Now this I can write as 1 by I square and power 19. So 2 into 19 is 38 into I. That means you will get 39 power. Right? So you get here 1 by I power I square 4 power 19 into I. Now I square value we know it is minus 1. Okay, so put here minus 1 power 19 into this I, and here 1 is there. So equal to 1 by minus 1 power 19. This is odd number, so minus 1 power 19 will be minus 1 into I gives you minus I. Okay, now multiply and divide by I. So I into 1 is I, this minus take up, and I into I is I square. Again I square is minus 1. So you get minus I by minus 1, minus minus cut, so answer will be I. Question number 4, 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. Okay, first open the bracket. So when you open here, 3 into 7, 21 plus 3 into 7, 21I plus 7I. Okay, plus 7 into I is I square. Here 21 as it is, then 21I plus 7I gives you 28I. Then plus 7 and I square we know it is minus 1, so put minus 1. Okay, so you get here 21, 7 into minus 1 is minus 7 plus this 28I as it is. 21 minus 7 is 14 plus 28I. Okay, so that is solution for question number 4. Question number 5, 1 minus I minus into minus 1 plus I6. Okay, this is bracket. So here 1 minus I, open the bracket as it is, minus and minus plus 1, minus and plus minus 6I equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, and minus I minus 6I gives you minus 7I. So that is solution for question number 5. Question number 6, 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus bracket 4 plus I into 5 by 2. So this open the bracket first. So here 1 by 5 as it is plus I 2 by 5, open the bracket, so here negative, so change the sign. So here come minus 4 and plus into minus minus I into 5 by 2. Right? Now items and the real part. Okay, so without I, write together and simplify. So here 1 by 5, this minus 4 which are without I, plus from this item I am taking I common. Here you get 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Okay, I am taking LCM here, so take LCM, multiply by 5. So 1 minus 5 into 4 is 20. So 1 minus 20 by 5 plus this I, here the LCM is 10. So you multiply by 2, so 2 into 2 4, minus here multiply by 5, so 5 into 5 25, divide by the LCM is 10. 1 minus 20 is minus 19, divide by 5, plus this I, 4 minus 25 is minus 21, divide by 10. So we can say that if you write this minus over here, this can be written as minus 19 by 5 minus 21 by 10 into I. So that is solution for question number 6. Question number 7, 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 minus minus 4 by 3 plus I. So first let us simplify this one first. So here see 1 by 3, and this without item I write plus 4 here with this constant or real part, plus from these two taking I common. So here 7 by 3 plus here 1 by 3. Open the bracket, so minus and minus plus 4 by 3 minus and plus minus I. So here you take LCM. 3 is the LCM, so 1 plus 3 into 4 is 12 by 3 plus this I is as it is. Here denominator is same, so just add the numerator. So 7 plus 1 is 8 by 3 plus this I keep as it is 4 by 3 minus I as it is. Okay, so this is 12 plus 1 is 13 by 3 plus this 4 by 3 I am writing the constant term or the real part, plus from here I am taking LCM. Okay, so here 8I multiply here by 3, so 3 minus 3I by 3 equal to this denominator is same, right? So add the numerator. So 13 plus 4 will give you 17 by 3 plus minus 8I minus 3I will give you 5 by 3I. Okay, so that is solution for question number 7. Question number 8, 1 minus I power 4 equal to, this can be written as 1 minus I square whole square, 2 into 2 4 power, right? Now using the identity we can expand this, the identity a minus b whole square, but this is for complex number. Okay, so we have done that in the last class. So here 1 square plus I square minus 2 times 1 into I, that is 2I power 2. Okay, now 1 is as it is I square value we know it is minus 1, right? So put here minus 1 and minus 2I plus 1 minus 1 cut, so you get here minus 2I whole square. Square it, so minus 2 square is 4, I square is I square, but again I square is minus 1, so minus 1 into 4 will give you minus 4. Question number 9, 1 by 3 plus 3I whole cube. Here also I will use the identity and expand this. So first term's cube, that is 1 by 3 whole cube, plus second term cube, that is 3I whole cube, plus 3 times square of the first into second term. So 3 into 1 by 3 whole square into 3I plus 3 into first term 1 by 3 into second term square, so 3I square. So here you get 1 by 27 plus 3I cube, that is 27 I square into I. Okay, I cube I am writing I square I because I square value will put as minus 1. Okay, plus 3 is here, these 3 and these 3 I am multiplying as 9, this I am writing is here, and 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9, and then this one 3 into 3 I am cutting. Okay, so you get here 3 square which is 9 and I square, that is I square will be I square. Okay, equal to 1 by 27 as it is, plus 27I and I square put the value as minus 1. Okay, plus 9 cut, so here remains plus I, plus 9 as it is, and I square put the value as minus 1. So here 1 by 27 still as it is, this becomes minus 27I plus this I, my plus 9 into minus 1 is minus 9 equal to 1 by 27 in minus 9. Okay, the real part minus the imaginary part, that is minus 27I plus I or I term. Here take LCM. When you take LCM here 27, you get 1 minus 243 by 27 minus this you simplify, minus 27I plus I gives you minus 26I. Okay, and this you find the difference, 243 minus 1, this is negative answer, 242 divided by 27 minus 26I. So that is solution for question number 9. Question 10, minus 2 minus 1 by 3I whole cube. Now both are negative term, so I am taking minus 1 power 3 outside, and minus 1 power 3 will give you minus, and here you get positive because I am taking minus common. So here 2 plus 1 by 3I whole cube. Now use the identity z1 plus z2 power 3 and expand this. Okay, just like a plus b whole cube. So this minus 1 cube is minus, so first term cube is 2 cube plus second term cube, that is 1 by 3I whole cube, plus 3 2 square into 1 by 3I plus 3 into 2 into 1 by 3I square, minus as it is 2 cube is 8 plus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 27, I cube is I square into I, plus 3 into this 3 I am cutting. Okay, so here you get 2 square 4 and this I remains, plus this is 3 square is 9, so 1 3 I can cut. Okay, so here remains 1 3 and here remains 2I square equal to this minus as it is, 8 as it is. Okay, then this I square I am putting as the minus 1 value. Okay, so if you put minus 1 it will become minus 2 by 3. Okay, plus plus this one by 27 I square, but I square is minus 1, so this comes you minus 1 by 1 by 27 into I. Okay, and plus 4I here, right? I have written rearrange from here directly by putting the value of I square in these both the places, right? Now here take LCM, so 8 into 3 is 24 minus 2 by 3, plus from here I am taking LCM, so I am multiplying here 24 into 27 into 4, which gives you 108 minus 1 divided by 27 into I. Okay, so here minus is as it is, this difference is 22 by 3 plus this difference is 107 by 27 into I. Open the bracket and multiply by this negative. So you get here minus 22 by 3 and plus into minus 107 by 27 I. Find the multiplicative inverse in exercise 11 and 11 to 13. Question number 11. Z equal to 4 minus 3I. The conjugate of this is given as z bar equal to 4, here minus, so it is plus 3I. Okay, that is the conjugate of the given complex number. And the magnitude of this is modulus of z, but I am taking square, so it is a square plus b square. Okay, so here a is 4 and b is minus 3. So here 4 square plus minus 3 whole square, right? So 4 square is 16, minus 3 square is 9 plus 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25. So this is my modulus of z square and this is my conjugate. Okay, so this is what we have found. Here actually I have given the formula of modulus of z and that is under the square root, but I am taking modulus of z square, that means no more square root. Okay, therefore the multiplicative inverse of z equal to 4 minus 3I is the formula I have given in the last class. Z inverse equal to conjugate of z divided by modulus of z whole square equal to, we have got all the values, place the value. This value is 4 plus 3I and this value is 25, so put 25. Divide each term separately, so 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. Question number 12. Let z equal to root 5 plus 3I. Then the conjugate of this is z bar equal to root 5, if it is plus, here minus 3I, and the modulus of z whole square will be equal to square of this root 5 square plus minus 3 square. Root 5 square is 5 plus minus 3 square is 9. Add up this, you get 14. Therefore multiplicative inverse of z equal to root 5 plus 3I is z inverse, this formula I am writing, equal to z bar divided by modulus of z square equal to, put the value, z bar is root 3 minus 3I and modulus of z square is 14. Separate each term, so root 5 by 14 minus I into 3 by 14. Question number 13. Let z equal to minus I. Then the conjugate of this will be z bar equal to I, and the modulus of this, that is z, modulus of z square will be minus 1, coefficient of I is minus 1, so minus 1 square equal to 1. Therefore multiplicative inverse of z equal to minus I is, the formula is the same what I used before, okay, which we used here already. So z inverse equal to z bar by modulus of z square equal to z bar is I divided by modulus of z is plus 1. So I by 1 gives you I. Question number 14. Express in the form a plus ib. Okay, so this is given to us the question. 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 minus I root 2. Okay, now first I'll open this bracket, but here you know it is a plus b, a minus b, and for complex number we have got the identity that this is, suppose z1 plus z2, z1 plus z2 into z1 minus z2, then the formula is z1 square minus z2 square. Okay, or you can just expand one by one, also will get the same answer. So I am taking 3 square is 9 minus I into I square and root 5 square is 5. Okay, and here just open the bracket. So here root 3 plus 2 root 2I minus root 3 minus a minus plus I root 2. Okay, this is 9 minus I square, value we know it is minus 1 into this 5 as it is. Okay, that's root 3 plus and root 3 minus will cancel. Okay, here see root 2I plus root 2I, it will give you 2 times root 2I. Now I am multiplying and divide by I. Okay, so here we get 9 minus m minus plus 5, and this is 2 root 2 I into I square, and this numerator I keep as it is here. Okay, 9 plus 5 is 14I, 2 root 2 I square value you know minus 1, so I put minus 1, I write minus here. Okay, you can cut here, right? So when you cut by 2, you get here minus 7 by root 2I. Now multiply and divide by root 2, so you get just rationalizing. Okay, so minus 7 root 2 into root 2 is 2I. So that is the solution for question number 14. And here we end the exercise 5.1. Thank you very much.